Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set name lock in oppo phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here we already have oppo mobile phone, and this type of icon shown in your mobile phone you have to see here. Firstly, you have to move up and see this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone you have to see here. Then you have to click on here setting icon, so click on the setting icon. After that you have to see here this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone you have to see here. There was many options shown in your mobile phone, and then you have to click on the password and biometrics option if you want to set name lock in your mobile phone. So click on here. After that you have to see here this type of icon shown in your mobile phone. Then click on here lock screen password option, so click on here. Wait for some second to continue this option, so click on here. Then you have to see this type of icon, click on here if you want to set name lock, so click on here. Now enter your name lock like that. Again verify your name lock, then click on done. After that if you want to add fingerprint, click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel. When you have to turn lock your screen, then again unlock, click on the show name lock and see here. In this way name lock is set. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video.